Hello students and welcome back to class. So good morning. This will be our first period for today. You're going to want to go back into your books app. Now, like I told you guys last night, I told you to read certain pages for homework. So we left off at this page and you guys were supposed to read from water use all the way to the end until we hit review. So, we are going to start off here. So, what is life? Review. Biology is the study of all living things. All organisms share a set of characteristics. They obey the laws of chemistry and physics, get and use energy, reproduce, maintain a stable internal environment, respond to changes in external environments, and they evolve. Now we have 8 questions here to answer. The organisms pictured here share all of the following characteristics except what? So, it's not reproduce because that animal can reproduce. I would say use energy. We were wrong. The correct answer was the ability to carry out photosynthesis. Question 2 out of 8. The process by which the gene pool of a population changes so the population is better able to survive and reproduce is called what? Give me an answer in the comment section below, and we'll start at A and we'll go down. So I can see how many people viewed this video, and I should know how many people commented down below. So if you didn't leave a comment, then I know you were not paying attention. A, incorrect. B, adaptation was correct. Question 3 out of 8. The fact that organisms are able to adapt to changing environmental conditions result in what? A, B, C, or D? Leave a comment down below. A, incorrect. B, incorrect. C, correct. Question 4 out of 8, the correct answer is B. And then 5, the correct answer is going to be D. Correct answer here is going to be C. Correct answer here is going to be A. And the correct answer here is going to be B. Okay. Moving on, we have some more questions we're not going to read about. So your homework for tonight is to read this right here. This is period 1 reading. Later today, I'll be talking about goal setting and your budgeting and financial and more stuff with that. And then we'll be having many different periods. So we have our first period so far today, which is going on right now. And this is being filmed for you guys right now at 8:17 a.m. And we have this period, and we'll have a second period starting at 9 o'clock, and then we'll have another one going up at 10, which is talking about English and all of that. 11 o'clock will be math, then you'll have a break, and then we will go with our last class of the day, which will be science. This is your first one, though, learning about Earth and everything. So your homework for tonight is to read all of these pages left. So I will give you guys a few minutes. I'll tell you when to pause on your video to read the page. Okay, go ahead and pause now. Okay, moving on. We're going on to page 37. Pause and read, please. Okay, moving on. Page 38, pause and play, please. Okay, moving on. Page 39, pause and read, please. Okay, moving on, page 40, pause and play. And that is it. So we are moving on to chapter 2 tomorrow, which is the chemistry of life. So within the cells of these aquatic green algae, one of the life's most essential chemical processes takes place, the conversion of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate and photosynthesis. So the introduction, we move into section 1 of chapter 2, which is life is chemistry, and we move on. So we'll be starting on the introduction of this tomorrow, and maybe into section 1. It all depends on what we get to. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow for chapter 2. If you have any questions, please comment them down below.